Hey, what's up, you guys? Dan11 here. Just another update on the Murray. See, she's sitting right there. Here's yeah. I got hood mounts welded on, so it stays and it doesn't fall off. Check it out. More good news, I got the electrical hooked back up so the headlights work again. Those work. And I got the battery hooked up so it charges while it's running. So now no more having to pull start it. So yeah, we'll just go for a little ride. Time for another paint job, as you can see. Ah, Lord. Oh, buddy. This place is always muddy. Water comes out of these holes. Muddy spot. It's pouring. Holy crap, this is deep mud. I'm stuck. There it goes. Ow! Thorns! Oh, this is some bad mud. I got spiders all over me. Oh, I'm done. Stuck. It won't go. If I had a locked transaxle, I'd be out of here in no time. That's the front. Jammed up. Let's put it in reverse. Try it again. Now it won't even back out. My transmission's hitting. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Hey! Got stuck on that root right there. Now it won't go again. Why won't it go? Just spinning. There it goes. Yeah, so that's what we just went through. Now we're kind of covered in mud back here. All's good though. That always helps start it back up, is when you fill it full of gas. A nice Sunday. next week's the last week of school. Summer starts. Football practice. Yeah. Anyways, Murray's good to go. And our next project to finish working on to make good is the Troy belt. Right now this thing has no way, anytime you want to ride it, you always have to jump start it off some kind of other car. There's no pull start, and there is no battery. As you can see, this is the one that had the twin on it. This does have that big old bumper, which I might put on the Murray. I don't know. But this is the one that mows. Yep, it's that one I did that makeshift clutch design on, where you pushing the pedal and the belt just tightens. It's kind of hard to engage it because it jumps, but still runs good. Definitely needs a muffler. And the third project to get done is this dude. Oh, and I got me some more welding wire, so that's why I just made those hood mounts. But those foiler tires are gonna go on it, and as you can see, chain driven sprocket. It's an old lawnmower transmission. Everything on it works. You spin it, the axles turn. And these right here are gonna lead back. There's gonna be a bar across, and the motor's gonna mount right there. They're pretty dang sturdy too. So it's gonna mount the motor back there, because the motor has to spin this thing clockwise. Yeah, it was pretty hard getting that all set up. And I'm gonna run a gear shifter with some linkage right here, and it's gonna lead up to about right there. That little hole is in the piece of metal. My car is doing good. I drive it a lot. Lawnmower, getting ready to use it on that yard over there. But yeah, everything else is doing pretty good. Been working on a lot of stuff, getting some stuff done, you know. Going through scrap, organizing, cleaning out the barn. Haven't worked on that motor yet, but I plan on it. There's the motor that's going on that thing out here. Right there, yeah. Yeah, and I'll try to get that go-kart working. That one. But this is just a quick little update video. I figured I'd show you what's going on. Yep, trailer's doing good. Both of them. I use them all the time. Hauled dirt away since we dug this hole. I mean, you can see right there, it's like a foot deep. But yeah, see y'all later. Video coming at you. We've been having really big troubles with algae building up, like majorly. This whole area used to be covered in it, but we figured out the solution. A little bitty water pump. And it's cleared it all up. This area over here used to look like that, but it's gone. All the algae's gone. Just a little something I figured I'd show you. Kind of neat. Later.